Hey London, alright, so my name's Eric and I want to show you something really disgusting. Should I do it? Should I? You know what, I think I'm gonna anyway. Because I think it's so important that people actually understand what's inside their houses and why it needs to be removed. So I'm gonna show you this really quick clip, and at the end of it, I hope you stick by because I'm gonna offer you a deal that is really awesome. And I think that almost every single person who actually watches this all the way through will take me up on my offer. So hope you enjoy, and then at the end of it, let's come back to what I can give you. That's pretty gross, huh? I'm glad you guys stuck with me this far. I'd really like to help you guys out and get this lint out of your actual house. So the offer I'm gonna put out there right now is that if I come clean your dryer and I can't improve the actual flow rate of your dryer, or we don't pull out a lot of lint, I'm gonna give you the clean for free. Yeah, that's right. So there's no risk. You guys get it absolutely free if I don't make an improvement on your system. But here's the one thing I would like from you. If I do improve the flow rates, or if I pull out a lot of lint out of your system and it kind of astonishes you what's in there, I'm going to charge you $110 for doing the visit. It's still less than the competitors out there, but then you know your house has been protected and it got rid of something that was actually needed. So that's the offer I'm offering anybody for the end of this month. And I also would like to have the opportunity to videotape it if you can allow me to, because it helped me promote my business. So thank you for listening to my video. Just hit the message button below and I'll get you booked in there. So have a great day.